The first thing we're going to do is we're going to import, and we're going to import randint because this is a little bit more complex than just accessing one choice in a list. Now I'm going to just click that so that you can see and go down to the bottom where our code is. And I'm going to assign our choice. I'm going to use randint for this, which we just imported, and start at 0, but the position is the length in the list -1. And that's because length and position in list don't exactly match in Python. Then I'm going to print the event year, the choice. Print the event description. And print the event link. Let's test it. Great, it works. Perfect.